Alrighty friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thank you so much for coming back. We have a great video today. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to become part of our home decor family. It would help me out a bunch. Also take a look at some of our older videos. We have some great ones on there, ones that you would enjoy from every possible home decor style there is. But in today's video, let's talk about Asian inspired home decor. Alright guys, so before we get started, don't forget to head on over to our Facebook page, And Then There Was Style. Join our family there. I'm trying to grow that group just a bit. It's a little lonely with me over there by myself. So please join. I would appreciate it. Also follow us on TikTok at And Then There Was Style. Alright guys, so let's get into this Asian inspired home decor, and I always put inspired just because this is a sensitive topic, I will say that. Some people think having an Asian inspired home decor style in your home could be seen as cultural appropriation or disrespectful, and I definitely don't want to alienate anyone or make anyone feel that this video is disrespectful in any way. Now, I think cultural appropriation is a very real thing. However, sometimes I think there is a such thing as just paying homage to a certain group of people or a certain style, like as in this video. I also think sometimes that you can go to a certain area or region and be so inspired by it or have so many great memories that you want to emulate that or duplicate that in your home just for the happy feelings or the happy memories. And I feel like that's okay. What do you guys think down below? I'm interested. I know it's a touchy topic, but I'm just really interested to get other thoughts on it besides my own. So I always like to start the video with what is Asian style decor, or what is the type of decor that we're talking about in that video. So Asian style interior design, sometimes called Oriental design, showcases the cultures of Japan and China, Vietnam, Thailand, and some other prominent Eastern societies. Some room designs are true to one style, while many Asian themed rooms are a combination of two or more cultural influences. The most recognizable design styles when it comes to Asian home decor would be Chinese and Japanese. Also, let's get into feng shui a little bit. Feng shui is practiced in many Asian countries, but it's becoming more and more popular here, not only in America, but many other Western cultures as well. So this is a set of ancient Chinese guidelines for properly placing objects and buildings. So feng shui states that all objects have energy that is either positive energy or negative energy. So care should be taken to balance these energies. Maybe not have several objects that have negative energy on one side of the room when you can balance it throughout the room. So Chinese-inspired interiors display bold colors along with ornate furniture and accessories. The furniture pieces tend to be carved wooden designs with hand-painted details and high-gloss lacquered surfaces. Accessories continue this dramatic style by featuring animal motifs and mythological beasts like monkeys and dragons. Dragons are super popular. Porcelain ginger jars, large vases, and fish pots painted with complex patterns in multiple colors or in classic blue and white are also fashionable in Chinese interiors. Other stylish items frequently seen are large wall murals, plaques, and folding screens, which depict historical characters and legendary scenes in vibrant or striking color palettes. Red is a prominent color in this Asian style interior design, perhaps because it means good luck in Chinese culture. Other bright colors such as yellow and green are used as accents as well. Colorful paper lanterns are often made in very vibrant colors, while wood tones tend to be dark and rich in color. On the other hand, the calming zen-like feel of Japanese-style interiors is accomplished through the use of natural materials and subdued colors. These natural elements include indoor water fountains and using tatami mats as floor coverings. Tatami are supple straw mats edged in cloth which measure 3 by 6 feet and help establish room sizes. Bamboo, stone, and other natural materials provide the basis for a soothing color palette of brown, gray, and green. Soft floral patterns and colors are incorporated with decorative pottery and embellished textiles. Furniture and accessories tend to be clean-lined and geared towards living near the floor of the room. The simplicity of Japanese style is particularly appealing to modern and minimalist design fans. Uncomplicated futons are traditionally used for bedroom furniture, while low tables and floor cushions are used for dining. Simple, elegant floral arrangements such as orchids and bonsai add a graceful touch. Natural fibers like silk are a must. And some silken fabrics are artistically embroidered with intricate designs, such as like a beautiful kimono, which can also be used as wall art. Alrighty guys, so we are towards the end of our video. Do me a favor and comment down below. Is this a style that you could see having in your home? Do you like this style? Some people don't like it. They think it's, what is that word? Cultural appropriation. I don't know. I feel like it's just paying homage to a style that you may enjoy. But let me know how you feel about it in the comment section. Alright guys, so I asked you to comment your favorite Asian inspired room down below in the comment section, or would you have this look in your home? If you want to know mine, is this gorgeous staircase, just because I can just see myself, you know, twirling down this little staircase. I think it's beautiful. As always guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.